wondering how you might make an offer on a home that's already listed by an agent. You've been armed with the data and the information with Bode, and you really understand how to be a self-represented buyer, but the home you fell in love with is already represented by an agent. Well, here's what we recommend. If you reach out to the agent and let them know that you're about to make an offer, and then you provide them with all the terms and conditions of that offer and sign a customer acknowledgement agreement, then the agent can populate the purchase agreement and you can negotiate and represent yourself. So the elements of that offer include the purchase price, a deposit, and the deposit is about 3 to 5% usually of the purchase price. The more you give, the better your offer is. A possession date that works for you. You can ask the agent what the preferred possession date is of the seller if you're flexible, so that you can make an offer that's really attractive to them. And then all the terms and conditions that you would like to offer. So some of the standard ones are financing, and you need to provide the percentage of financing of the home that you will require, plus the date when you will remove that condition. The sale of your own property might be a condition that you put on the offer. Now, that one is one that has to have a date associated to it too. So it's a condition that you can place if you believe you're not going to be in a really competitive environment. And then there's a couple of terms that you might contemplate as well. If there are any repairs need to be made by the home, you need to identify the repair as well as the amount of holdback that is required and when the repairs need to be made by and what company. You also might contemplate adding the number of times you would like to view the home before taking possession. This one's a pretty standard one and something that we really recommend so that you can go back and measure for furniture or just go back and understand the full layout of the home, especially if you've only seen it once or twice before. You can populate all of this information, provide it to the agent, as well as perhaps a personal note or a video and the time at which your offer will expire. Now, that's usually about 24 to 48 hours. If you're in a competitive environment where there's more than one offer coming in, the agent will let you know and you can adjust accordingly. So those are the elements of an offer. And when you're making an offer to an agent, then you can really work with them to self-represent and make sure that that seller saves all of the commission that you would have brought into this agreement and have so much more of an efficient home purchase scenario. Good luck.